Hi guys, Lion King here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to this puzzle box I made. It's pretty cool, so let's start building. Hi guys, so I'll show you how to activate this thing. You see, there's that piece right there. Just smack it out. You have this. Take that. You take it and push it to pull it out. And then you'll have this key on the bottom right here. This is a key you'll need. Rotate it around. You have this hole in here. Push it. And it will push this. So you're trying to get this down. And then you see. And then you take it out. But in order to take out the whole thing, you need to get that. Then to do it, you need a, see? Get this thing from the top right there, piece, and just push it down. Okay. Pull this thing out. And push that. Whoops. Take out the piece. And that's how you solve the puzzle. And you put it back, clip on this thing back. Oh, here's Amy. Hi! Make sure to subscribe. And take this, push it back, rotate that around. Wow. Whoops, sorry. Yikes! Flip it upside down. Oh, see, they're red. 2 by 1, 1 by 2 piece.
I thought you had the money.
Yeah, I changed it. Take this, push it. And then, if it's not coming in, just take your key, push it down, pinch that and push it. And then you need to push that and then push that back, push that in. But it doesn't work, so just before you do that, then take your key slot, take that, push it down, push that, and then you need to put it in backwards to make sure it gets placed in correctly. So take the box, flip it upside down, like that, and stretch it until it's more spread. I'm at my friend's house, and you see that slot. You can also get Lego piece.
Cho em mua sữa đi.
Smooth piece.
Chị nhân 2 nè. Sao vậy?
Nó uống sữa mà phải cách 2 tiếng hoặc là gần 2 tiếng chứ không có
Nó bò nó lằn cái bụng. Dễ thương.
Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.
Căng dễ sợ.